So I'm just going to talk you through some meditative practices. These are more kind of concentration or breath awareness exercises just to ease you into meditation. So the differences between a meditation and your relaxation that you do at the end of your yoga practice, which is called Shavasana. Meditation is in practice sitting upright. Don't feel that you have to sit in half lotus like myself, any upright position, so whether it's the legs out in front, or cross-legged, or if you need a block or a bolster underneath your seat bones, you can do it. What's most important that the spine is long, lifting out the lower back, lifting through the crown of the head. So in fact, if you feel that you're more supported against the wall, by all means doing that. Now, within different traditions, you can take different hand mudra. For this practice, I'm going to take my index finger and thumb finger together for chin mudra. So lifting through the crown of the head, and you just soften the eyes. You can close them over completely or just soften the gaze to the floor, and we just begin by just following the natural flow of breath. And there's no need to alter or change the breath, but you're just observing the natural flow of breath, being completely mindful and being present in the moment of the breath. And with every inhalation, we take in the energy which is known as prana. That's the energy and life force that rides on the breath, and we take that into the body. And then with every exhalation, we just gently let go. And as you focus on the breath, you may observe that it begins to deepen and lengthen just naturally in its own time. But don't force this, and just accept where your breath is without judgment, just being completely connected and being present in the moment. And we're just going to begin to try to capture that busy mind of yours and just begin to come to a concentration and awareness deeper into the breath. So just taking the focus onto breathing in and out through the nose. Observing the travel of the breath in through the nose and out through the nose. You may be aware of just feeling that the warmth of the breath as it passes out just over the upper lip. And you just take a few moments here, and that just simple awareness without any effort, breathing in and out through the nose, and then just following that breath as it travels and spreads down the back of the throat. Again, just observing how it feels without changing or altering the breath. And then following that breath down to the chest, feeling the gentle rise and fall, keeping the shoulders down, relaxed, try not to hunch them up to the ears. And if you begin to tire and the backs begin to slouch, just gently lifting once more. And then feeling that breath move down into the abdomen now. Without effort. And just observing the full breath now. Observing the qualities of the breath. Observe if there's one area that it feels more easy that the breath goes to than the other without any effort. You may observe that the breath is smooth, flowing, or you may feel there's times when it's more rigid or more difficult to get that breath. Just try to let go of any intention, as it were, but just being completely present in the breath. And as you take this simple exercise of breath awareness, you may just observe that the breath is slowed down even further. You may notice the energy drawing in through the breath. You may notice increased areas of energy, perhaps in the hands and the fingertips, where there's more warmth or tingling, and that's fine. As your exhalation lengthens, you feel the relaxation occurring. I'm just beginning to build up on this exercise, perhaps practicing for 3 minutes, building up to 5 minutes every morning, and just observing the calming, relaxing, restorative effects it has on you, on your body, your mind, and your spirit. This is the end. Namaste.